Okay, today we're going to test this computer. We're actually going to turn it on. Power strip on. Did it boot? Yeah, it did boot. Yeah, it booted. It booted. That's good. I think. I hear fans. I don't know what's happening. Let's take the side panel off. Oh. That's why nothing's on. One moment, please. Now let's try it. There we go. There we go. Oh, I feel so much better now. The power supply switch wasn't on, that's why. That looks so cool. All 12 gigs, cool. There we go, Windows. It's on the SSD already, that's why. Will it do anything? If it doesn't do anything, I hope it's getting something ready. If it doesn't do anything, I'll put Ubuntu on it, but I think it's gonna do something. I'll be back after I put the side panel on. It works! It actually works. Oh, it's all set up for me and everything. Nice. I can't figure out what password I used on this. Because, watch this. I don't have a flash drive, that's why. Internet? Yep, because I put it up to the Ethernet. Ease of access? I don't know. What is this? Oh. But I don't know my password, so I can't go any farther than this to check out anything, benchmarks or anything. I'm stuck here because there's a password. I don't know. I don't know what my password is. I tried that. I tried all my other passwords. I'm just gonna keep trying. If I get it, I'll come back. After a few more failed attempts, it's not working. I don't know why. I don't know why. That makes me mad. There's no account, so I don't know if it's connected to an account or just a password or what. I'm talking to the person who put the Windows on the SSD, so I'm gonna see if he knows the password. I hope he does, because he's the one that put it on here. Why wouldn't he? But you never know. And if he doesn't know, I guess I'm gonna have to put a new fresh install Windows. But I don't know where I'm gonna get a CD for that with a serial, like a key or whatever it's called, product key. So this video is nice and short. Here we'll end it with the Windows 10 Beach. I don't know if you can hear it, but here's how loud the system is. So there's a side view, or side sounding, and a top sounding. So, yep, that's about it. I'm gonna look inside of it real quick. So, any ideas on how to get out of this, fix this, whatever? Please help me, because I have no clue what to do. Unless you can figure out what the password is, obviously. Here's the inside. It's kind of loud. It's bearable. Yeah, the graphics card is hot. Nice and toasty. Here's the look up it. I put my case sticker on it. I put the Dell USB keyboard. That's about it. It's kind of cool, I think. That sticker doesn't match the color theme, but whatever. It looks like a OEM computer or whatever, like a one you buy at the store. That's kind of why I put it there. I'm not gonna put a whole bunch, just this one. And for the other one, I'll just put the processor. When in doubt, install Ubuntu. I almost had it. It was loading and everything, but it wasn't working. It was like the password was still wrong. So whatever. I even talked to the guy. He forgot what the password was. I tried password 1. I tried my name. I tried a few different things. None of those work. So Ubuntu is the way to go. Put in the system right here. You know, I'm actually going to switch the two so we have faster speeds for Ubuntu with the 3.0 USB port. There you go, all better. Let's boot the system again. I don't know what the thing is. I don't know what the F thing is. 6 cores. It's booting Windows again. I'm gonna go check the manual for this motherboard. What the F key is. It's upstairs. I'll be back when I figure it out. Okay, we're restarting. Delete is the apparently the key, I guess. There we go. There we go. Is it working? Please work. The sound. Okay, here we go. Let's figure this out. Well, I'm gonna do this by myself because I can't do this one-handed. I just unhooked the SATA cable, so hope that helps when it boots up again. Maybe detect the Ubuntu flash drive. That just looks so cool when it does that. 12 gigs, it's such a weird number. Okay. There we go. Let's do that. Okay, so it's booting. Oh yeah. Oh, it's not even with the screen. Look at that. There's a gap there. Okay, yeah, now it's better. That's good. Okay, finally booted. Oh, wow, it's actually kind of snappy. It's kind of cool. I think I'm just gonna install it, I guess. Where's the installer? Oh, over here. Missed it. Whoops. Okay, I'll be back when it does something. Okay, we're just going through the installation. I hot swapped the cable. Okay, let's see. We'll do that. If I forgot the password later on, that'd be perfect, but I probably won't. We're gonna do that just because Ubuntu will actually work. It's partitioning. I just accepted it and everything. So, yeah. Okay, now it's time to choose my area. There we go. That's all good. English. Yep. They detect things kind of weird. I'm gonna put my stuff in for here. Now it's actually installing. So, yep. Yeah, that's getting hot. I didn't even touch the hot part. It's more the just the PCB. It's still going. Might take a while. Right now it's restarting the computer, and then it should boot into the actual Ubuntu instead of just the trial thing. So let's see if that works. Okay, now here, doing the 12 gig thing. Let's see if it boots into Ubuntu. Please do it. I'm gonna let it count down or whatever. I don't want to mess with anything, because I had trouble with this motherboard before. But if it works, it's good. If I boot every time, is that what's gonna happen? I can't hold my breath for this one. We're in. We are in. The actual version of Ubuntu, I think. Yes, we are. I'm gonna download a few things, do some benchmarks. I don't have Geekbench on here yet because, yeah, you have to do something with the terminal. I'm not too familiar with the terminal. Another buddy of mine knows how to use a terminal, so I'm gonna talk to him and see if he knows what to do. He probably does. But I got a video on here. We'll play. The sound's going through my earbuds right now. Well, there might be onboard sound. I don't know. I tried it and I didn't get anything. I really don't think so. What is this? This is probably 4. Yeah, 480. Oh, this is a bad video. Well, it's only in 480. Let's go. Let's do. Linus probably has some 4K video. Here we go. 4K. 4K. It's fine. Doesn't stutter. Maybe a little bit, but works. I don't usually watch stuff in 4K. It's all in 720 or 1080p max. Yeah, so that's about it. Okay, I'm gonna do shut down. Thanks for watching.